A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move on Thursday, the Senate Judiciary Committee advanced the nomination of Emil Bove, a former defense lawyer for President Trump, to serve as a judge on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. The committee, led by Republicans, voted unanimously with a 12-0 result, pushing Bove's nomination to the full Senate despite facing considerable backlash from a group of former federal prosecutors and judges, as well as serious allegations of unethical conduct from a whistleblower. The meeting turned contentious when Judiciary Committee Chairman Chuck Grassley called for the vote on Bove's nomination, leading to an uproar from Democratic members who protested that not all were granted the opportunity to voice their opinions. Tensions escalated when Grassley dismissed a motion from Democratic Senator Cory Booker, who sought to delay the nomination process to allow whistleblower Erez Reuveni to testify before the committee. Following this, all Democratic members walked out in protest. Booker, visibly frustrated, criticized his Republican colleagues for their handling of the situation, stating, "This lacks decency. It lacks decorum. It shows that you do not simply want to hear from your colleagues. It is absolutely wrong." He accused the GOP of trying to expedite Bove's nomination without proper scrutiny. Grassley defended Bove, asserting that he has a commendable legal background and has served his country honorably. He condemned what he described as vicious partisan attacks against Bove, urging a fair treatment of nominees regardless of their political affiliations. Grassley emphasized that the cycle of obstruction must come to an end, reminding his Democratic counterparts that the roles could reverse in the future. However, the top Democrat on the panel, Senator Dick Durbin, expressed strong opposition to Bove's nomination, arguing that he is unfit for a lifetime appointment on the federal bench. Durbin pointed to Bove's involvement in controversial dealings during the Trump administration, including alleged attempts to negotiate a corrupt agreement with New York City Mayor Eric Adams and a history of complaints regarding his temperament and judgment. Bove's path to the committee's approval appeared more favorable after Republican Senator Thom Tillis from North Carolina indicated his support for the nomination. Yet, uncertainty looms over whether Bove will secure confirmation from the full Senate, where Republicans hold a slim majority. The nomination could falter if Bove loses the backing of 4 Republican senators. President Trump nominated Bove in May to fill a vacancy on the Philadelphia-based Third Circuit, which covers Delaware, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Bove has been a key figure in Trump's legal battles, representing him in several criminal cases, including the high-profile New York hush money trial. Since joining the Justice Department, Bove has faced scrutiny for his actions, particularly regarding allegations that he attempted to broker a quid pro quo arrangement involving the prosecution of Mayor Adams. Following this controversial move, several prosecutors resigned in protest. Bove defended his actions, asserting that the decision to drop charges against Adams fell within the realm of prosecutorial discretion. The controversy surrounding Bove intensified when Reuveni, a former Justice Department attorney, filed a whistleblower claim against him. Reuveni accused Bove of suggesting that the administration disregard court orders. This claim stems from a meeting where Bove allegedly indicated that the Justice Department might need to tell the courts to F***KU if judicial orders obstructed the administration's actions. Grassley dismissed the whistleblower's claims, arguing that the documents presented were insufficient to delay the vote on Bove's nomination. He contended that government lawyers routinely interpret and litigate court orders, asserting that such actions do not equate to misconduct. Durbin countered Grassley's argument, asserting that senators had the opportunity to question Reuveni directly, as he had offered to testify. "If you question the veracity of Mr. Reuveni, he's ready to stand before you, raise his right hand, take an oath, and testify under oath. What more can you ask about credibility than that?" Durbin remarked. As the committee proceeded with the nomination process, Booker attempted to propose a motion to delay the vote and allow Reuveni to testify, but Grassley ruled that the motion was not on the agenda. "There's no need to rush this. What are you afraid of?" Booker asked, highlighting the urgency for transparency in the nomination process. In response to the allegations against Bove, the Justice Department has come to his defense, labeling Reuveni as a disgruntled former employee. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche has characterized the claims against Bove and other Justice Department officials as utterly false. White House spokesman Harrison Fields has also praised Bove's qualifications, describing him as an incredibly talented legal mind and a staunch defender of the U.S. Constitution. During his confirmation hearing in June, Bove categorically denied Reuveni's allegations, maintaining that he never urged department attorneys to violate court orders. As the situation unfolds, the full Senate will soon have to decide whether to confirm Bove for a lifetime position on the federal bench, a decision that could have significant implications for the judicial landscape in the coming years. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.